Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make some fake resin pineapple rings. Now before you ask why anyone would want to do that, this same process can be used for casting a lot of different types of food if you want to make prop replicas. Now I've got a project coming up where I need some pineapple rings glued onto a vertical surface, so rather than mess around with real ones, I'm going to make some fake plastic ones so I can glue them on and not have to worry about them for the rest of the shoot. So let's get into it. To start with, we take a can of pineapple rings. Then we take out one of the rings, dry it off with a tissue to remove any excess moisture. This is a trick I use when I'm box moulding small items. I take strips of duct tape and make a mat with the sticky side facing up. Then you can stick the object onto the mat and then put your boxing around the top. In this instance, I'm just using Lego bricks to make a quick and easy mould. I fill that mould with mould making silicone, and once it's set, we can remove the boxing and remove the pineapple ring. The resin I'm casting this one in is a translucent yellow resin, which makes a perfect base colour for the pineapple. We pour that into the mould, pour it slowly to avoid air bubbles, and then once it's set, we can demould the pineapple ring. And there we have our resin pineapple ring. To add some colour to it, I use the Special Effects ink palette, which is alcohol activated. So we spray some isopropyl alcohol on the white, then also get a little puddle of isopropyl alcohol in the lid to dilute the colour. Then we start brushing on a light white wash over the entire surface of the pineapple ring. I go very thin on this wash because it's only there just to pick up some of the details. This is a resin pineapple ring straight out of the mould, and this is one that's had the whitewash over it. It's still not quite there yet, so we take a can of gloss polyurethane varnish, then apply a coat over the entire surface, then let that dry, apply a second coat to get it looking nice and glossy. There you have it, the finished pineapple ring. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.